So hello mariners, hope you all are doing well. So I had already made 3 video on this. Hope you had seen it, and let's this time I'm going to discuss with question number 8 of the Shubhra's book. So without wasting much of your time, let's start with the numerical. So what's saying in the question? A ship is 150-meter long, MCTC is 200, TPC is 25. HF is 2 meter forward. The present draft are 8 meter forward and 10 meter aft. Calculate the initial hydrostatic draft. In this question, it is talking about the hydrostatic draft. So we need to calculate hydrostatic draft. And I think you have seen my basic video on the trim, that is what is hydrostatic draft. And if you had not seen, please have a look on it, because you need to clear what is the difference between a hydrostatic draft and what is the difference between a mean draft. So let's start. Next move forward. So space is available in number 1, that is HG is 60 meter forward, and in number 4, that is HG is 30 meter aft. So find how much cargo to be put in each of these spaces if the ship is to be finished at an even keel draft of 7. So in this question, it is not given about how much cargo we are going to load or discharge, but it is clear saying that we have to load some amount of a cargo. So for adding, but it is not saying how much. It is just given us the space, that is one in the 1 hold and that is one in the number 4 hold, and the distance it is given, and also it is given the initial draft and the final draft. So final draft is 9.3, it is fixed. So let's move forward. That is length of the ship is 150, MCTC is 200, TPC is 25, HF is 2 meter, and initial trim, we know it's from the question, is 2. Now first we need to calculate our hydrostatic draft. So for that we need to do correction. What will be the correction in the draft? So therefore correction, that is HF. So for correction we had a formula, that is HF into trim divided by length. Length means length of a ship. So that is trim 2 into trim by 150, that is we got the correction in the draft is 0.027. Therefore hydrostatic draft will be, that will be the mean draft of the ship minus the correction draft. Why I had done minus? Because the ship is trimmed by stern. If the ship is trimmed by forward, we will add instead of subtraction, but here the ship is trimmed by stern, so we are doing subtraction. Therefore the hydrostatic draft will be this. So as per the question, the final draft we required is 9.3. Therefore TC means trim cost is 9.3 minus 8 decimal itna. Therefore that is a trim cost. So cargo that we can load, that is TPC into, it is in centimeters, so we need to convert it into meter, and after that this is the total amount we are going to load. So present trim is 2 meter, therefore TC in that condition means initial, that is 2 meter, that will convert into centimeter, that is 200, MCTC is 200, and from here we will get the TM, that is trimming moment. So from first we had calculated our trimming moment, and now let X amount of a cargo to be loaded in number 1 hold. Therefore D will be 60 minus 2. These things I had already cleared in the basic and also in my previous 2 videos, so please have a look to clear this thing why I have subtracted here. And now TM therefore will be 58 into X. Now 817 decimal minus X to be loaded in number 4. Therefore TM is equals to, this thing is clear guys. Now initial TM and final will be same, because the ship is going to be at a even keel, and from that we had calculated already that how much amount of a cargo we are going to load. So from that the TC of both the condition will be this, because for the TC in the second numerical is 1, so from there we had just done this equivalation. So from here we are going to calculate our value of X. Now I had done at 58X minus 817.5 minus X 32. So you will going to ask me why I had done subtraction, why not addition? So here I had done subtraction because the amount of a cargo we are going to load, one is in the 1 hold, that is forward, and one is in the 4 hold, that is aft of the HG. So you know what is HG, it is cleared only, I had discussed in the previous videos. So without wasting time, let's move forward. So 40000 plus 26160, that I've done the multiplication with 32, and then I get here 32x plus 58. So now the final is 66160 divided by 90 is equals to x. So we had get the value of x, that is 735 ton. So we are going to, in number 1 lower hold we are going to load 735 ton, and in number 4 lower hold we are going to load 187 minus the value of x, that we will get 82.4 ton. So this is the final amount we are going in our going to load in our number 1 lower hold and number 4. So guys, I hope you all had liked the video and you had understand this numerical, and if you had really liked the numericals and understand it, so please give a like and please also subscribe the channel and share with your friend. Thank you and Jai Hind.